The program to go to village, both central government and state government, is working on the idea that the grassroots development should take place. And if people go to the village and work over there, then you can really feel that it's a grassroots development which is taking place. There are many schemes which the central government and state government every now and then announces for the people. But people do not know about it, especially in those far-flung village areas like Manipur is a very, most of Manipur is a hill area and the villages are far and beyond. So if leaders go over there and speak to them about those schemes, then the benefit can reach down to those people at the ground level. And that is the basic idea of the Go to the Village program. I was very keen to come to that program, but unfortunately, due to very urgent and important, unavoidable reasons, I could not come over there. But my best wishes are for the people of Manipur and in the villages, and especially the area where my program was kept, that I'll come back again some other time. At the moment I cannot, but I wish you all the best and feel that the programs, the organizers will explain to you what are the different schemes and programs of the state government, and if there are any schemes of the central government by which the grassroots level people can take benefit, especially all those farmers and working in the field are most important to reach these programs of the government and the benefits announced by the state government and the central government. Thank you very much.